To those who doesn't know me, my name is Pipita Curtis. Thank you so much. I'm one of the famous sexy actors in the Philippines. Kunwari naman, umgungan kayo para yung mga German, sabi ay, sexy actress pala to. Ulitin ko I'm Pipita Curtis, one of the famous sexy actors in the Philippines. Acknowledge you guys. German friends, hello. Yes, yung mga puti po, puti. Hindi po yung mga residente, at saka yung yung puti po, yung puti, ha? Yes, hi there, baby! I see one here, hello, and over there, hello there, and that guy, and you too. I would like, when you see them clapping, even though you don't answer, just clap. Just clap with them, okay? When you see them running, you run. Because there's a fire. Okay, their names were Jessica, Jennifer, and Jeannie. Yeah, they were Visaya. The killer would knock the door and ask some informations, Talk, talk, talk. What's your name? Jennifer. You're Visaya. Pa! She's dead. So my second auntie, she practiced. Her name is Junaline. Julin, Jonalyn. The killer knocked once more. Tok, tok, tok. What's your name? Jonalyn. How old are you? 22. She had a nice job there. She worked there. Got a beautiful family. Got some kids. From the left to the right, hold them apart. So clean and bright. So she learned how to speak, the American way. Yes, she practiced. Jessica. She learned the phonetics, the right pronunciation. Jessica. 22. Confident. 22. No. May adobo pa. Wow. So the killer knocked once again. What's your name? Jessica. How old are you? 22. Are you from Visaya? No. The killer turned around. Then she turned around. Then she shouted, yes! The killer said, Visaya!